5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Come on, shoot.
No. Oh.
There it goes.
Come on. Come on. Ooh, beautiful.
That's going to give us a much lower sampling time now.
And looks like it'll land right over there.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Was that a green one?
Yeah,
Yep.
That's so cool.
It is green.
Why is it alien?
Separation.
Good. Nice.
So that rocket motor had some copper in it?
Yeah, it's a green propellant.
That's so cool. What a great thing that was.
Interesting.
I think it's running. It better not run away because we can't get it. Oh no, I think.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm kind of took off to the side.
Yeah.
Poof.
I'm back.
Is that a box shoot?
It's an X-form.
What happened there?
Don't know.
Probably got caught on.
Looked like maybe, yeah, you may have caught a little bit on the rail.
Wanted to go WD-40 it?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Pretty good on an E. Way up there.
Over here. Got a bit of spin in the chute.
That's okay.
Is there a chute release?
Yeah.
No, it's already released.
It's just spinning. And looks like it'll land about halfway between us and the trees.
An onion worm?
Alright, go ahead and switch over to the boost.
He's a soldier.
The one on the rail?
No, the one on the right. And down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa! I lost it. It's way up there. I had it. There we got it. Okay.
I saw a guy who looked suspiciously snake-like, so I was like, maybe I don't want to go waltzing with me.
Stump on his head.
He ran away from me. This thing. Yeah, do you want to do that?
Now it's way out there.
Oh no. Wait, I can't, I don't even see it. Yeah, I don't either. Oh. Yeah. Okay. It kind of looks like that's
3,
what's happening.
2, 1.
That's okay.
Yeah, it might be the slope that we're launching on.
Oh, it's the wind.
That too.
I need you to not do that, actually. I need your lawn darts because I'll be back. Wow. That was nice, huh?
Here's the